Alright, day 2, Atari Punk console. Got my little funky speakers. Yeah, computer. Powered by USB and 1/8 inch jack. I was figuring out how to do that in stereo. Got my one set up here for my one Atari Punk console. This is the two 500s. And this is the volume 100K pot. And these are the other two 500s for the second one and the other 100K pot. Wired all that up. And then have both of these 556s running. I know there's a lot of wires and crap in the way. Decided, frig it, I'm put two little LEDs in there. And then still got my switch over here. Check these. So, first, that guy. Then, so this is going to be tough because I can't do this with both hands. So that one's higher. This set of controls that speaker. That set of controls that speaker because I did it in stereo. Whoops. Unplug something. There's something wonky with it. I don't know why this one is controlling both to a point. See that one over there, can't even see my finger, that one over there shouldn't have went up in tune. And that's it.